Nothing is going all in for the launch of its highly anticipated Phone 3. And unlike past teasers that featured only playful Pokemon figures, this time the company is being far more direct, revealing the actual name of the device. The company officially rolled out the Phone 3A series earlier in the year, which served as a prelude to their next big release. The co-founder had confirmed that the flagship Phone 3 was still scheduled for a 2025 debut. He described it as a significant milestone in Nothing's journey. He emphasized that once the 3A series was out in the market, the company would swiftly pivot its attention and resources toward preparing for the main Phone 3 launch. Carl Pei has officially confirmed that the upcoming Phone 3 will be released in the United States, ending all speculation and uncertainty surrounding its availability in the US market. This announcement brings clarity and excitement to American fans who were previously left in doubt. Adding to the anticipation, the company has just posted 2 cryptic but intentional emoji teasers on its social media platforms. The first emoji depicted a smartphone and the second was the number 3. Although the teaser might appear subtle at first glance, it didn't take long for eager fans to connect the dots. They quickly recognized this as the first genuine clue hinting at the long-awaited and official debut of the Phone 3. So far, Nothing has maintained complete silence on the matter. Despite several teasers hinting at something new, CEO Carl Pei has not made any public statements or offered any clarification about them. Still, the timing of these hints seems significant. It's worth noting that just last year the company made a bold decision to postpone the release of the Phone 3. The reason? They wanted to shift their focus toward artificial intelligence. At that time, Carl Pei explained that the development team had started exploring innovative ways for users to connect with and control their devices, methods that felt smarter, more personalized, and more responsive to human behavior. The broader vision was to break away from the traditional, repetitive smartphone experience we've all grown used to over the past decade and move towards something fresher and more meaningful. Since that time, Nothing has gradually started integrating its AI capabilities into its devices, most notably seen in the recent launch of the Phone 3A and 3A Pro. One of the standout additions is a newly introduced button called the Essential Key. This innovative feature serves as a gateway to a dedicated environment known as Essential Space. Within this space, users are given a more streamlined experience, enabling them to efficiently carry out tasks like organizing their screenshots or recording voice notes with greater ease. Although subtle, this integration provides a clear glimpse into the future vision of Nothing has for AI-powered experiences in its product ecosystem. By the time, the primary reason Nothing decided to postpone the release of the Phone 3 last year was to dedicate more time and resources to developing a truly intelligent and refined AI experience. Unlike Apple, which moved forward with launching the iPhone 16 series, despite its AI features being only partially developed, Nothing deliberately avoided rushing the process. Instead of offering users a half-baked product, the company chose to take a more thoughtful approach, fine-tuning its AI capabilities and ensuring that every feature was complete and functional. This allowed them to deliver a device that not only meets but exceeds user expectations, offering real value that aligns with the price consumers are paying. Just a few days have passed, and we're now starting to see a wave of emoji-based teasers making their way online, hinting that the official reveal might be just around the corner. Although the company hasn't released any confirmed details about the specs yet, earlier leaks continue to fuel excitement. One of the main rumors suggests that the upcoming Phone 3 will feature a sizable 6.5-inch OLED display, offering vibrant visuals and deep contrast. When it comes to the processor, there's still some uncertainty. Certain reports are speculating that the device could come equipped with an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for improved performance, while other sources believe it might instead feature the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, especially if the brand is planning to make artificial intelligence a core part of the user experience. When it comes to pricing, the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch at around $600. This strategic price point is likely aimed at keeping the device highly competitive in the market, especially when compared to rival smartphones such as the iPhone 16e and the OnePlus 13s. Setting the right price will be a critical factor that could significantly influence how well the Nothing Phone 3 performs in sales and how it's received by consumers. Meanwhile, the buzz surrounding the Nothing Phone 3 is growing rapidly, with leaks, rumors, and subtle hints from the company fueling excitement. With official teasers now beginning to surface, it seems the official launch may be just around the corner. All that remains is for the company to confirm it and make the announcement we've all been waiting for. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Do you think it will live up to the hype? And how much would you be comfortable spending on it if it meets your expectations? Share your opinions with us in the comments section. We'd love to hear what you think. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.